So the last time we were out here, we were looking for the Wiley mini toolbox. This time, we're looking for a full-size KOBALT. I think I know where it's gotten off to, so let's go. Yes, sir. I found it in the garage, hiding out with the lizards from the cold. It's not that bad. It looks very festive because it's Christmas time. It's January 2nd. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you all had a great holiday. Today I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the KOBALT tool chest with the hardwood top. I chose the table because I can always use the table space. Let's take a look at the drawers and what they can hold. So my flex tools, my screw gun, my drill, my sawzall, the bits, all fit in the top drawer. It's all real nice and snug. The next drawers hold my gloves, testers. So my home box is pretty much just things to do woodworking, metalworking, and automotive. They all fit real nice. As you can tell, they all have soft close. I just like to say this has been a good box. Got it last year, toward the end of the year. So the bottom drawer is 19.5. 15.5 deep, and it stands 8 inches tall. What I liked about this box is it has double ball bearing tracks on each side of the larger boxes, where the Craftsman only had a single. I feel pretty safe putting heavy things in these boxes. And as you can tell, the two bottom drawers are the same size. The three middle drawers are the same size, and the top drawer goes all the way across the box. Take a look at that real quick. I'm doing this rough today, I know. Sorry about that. I wanted you to have something. So it's 41.5 inches wide, 15 3/8 inch deep, and it is 2 3/4 inches tall. Three middle boxes, 19 3/8, 15.5, and 1 3/4. Good sturdy top. I really like this box. I know they got a sale price on them at Lowe's right now for I think $4.48. It even has a built-in strip, power strip, and places to plug in your phone and accessories. So overall, it's a great box. But I just wanted to take this other minute to talk about sustainability. Now, as you can see over here, I've got two older Craftsman boxes. When I bought these boxes, they were probably about 10 years ago at a yard sale. I paid $50 for both of them. I know what you're saying, they're a Craftsman box. They're not as sturdy as other boxes. I'll tell you what, if you take care of them, these boxes will last a long time. I'm not going to give you the specs on them. I just wanted to show you that no matter which box you choose, if you treat it right, take good care of it, keep it clean, your box will last, I'd say, a generation, maybe two, if you take real good care of them. So whatever you get, take care of it, enjoy it, use it to its fullest, And like one of my uncles used to tell me, don't abuse the equipment and it'll be there a really long time. So thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Enjoy the rest of this week if you have it off. If you don't, please know that we're starting 2026 and it's going to be a great time for work and for play. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I need you folks, and I appreciate you too. Thank you so much.